everyone, it's Ali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a special video for you which is a tour of my craft room. So I was using a study/craft room in the house to craft in, but I had kind of taken over that area a little bit, and so it was decided that I needed a room of my own. So I've created now a craft room for me. So I've taken over the spare room or our guest bedroom as my craft room, and as you can see I've used mostly IKEA furniture. This was all furniture that we had previously. I either had it in the study or in other rooms of the house, so I've just moved it all in here to make it more storage for my craft room. So there's Jedi relaxing in the craft room. He's giving everything a good sniff and finding his favourite spots to lie. So I thought I would start by, I'll probably do this tour in two parts. I thought I would start by giving you a general walk around of the room and explaining the placement of the furniture and things, and then I'll do a part two where I go into detail of where I've stored things in my room and how I've stored things and some storage solutions and ideas. So as you can see, I've created a central island table in the middle of the room. I really wanted something that I could stand or sit at and also walk around, and then I have the other storage around the outside of the room. So as I said, I didn't really spend anything other than for some storage containers and things like that, like these ones from Kmart, and most of what I did buy was from Kmart just to find some easy and inexpensive storage solutions, so I'll talk you through those as well. So I'll start by just doing a bit of a walk around. This unit is obviously an IKEA unit, as my inspiration board, which I haven't got a quote on yet, so if you have a good quote for me, please pop it in the comments down below and you may see it on my inspiration board. So I'll just start with the unit that is directly behind my desk. I like to keep everything that I use quite frequently in this unit just so I can turn around and grab things as I need them. So that one needed to be sort of in a good location right behind the desk. Then in the corner I have some drawer sets, again from IKEA. And under the window I have another IKEA unit as well. And then over the opposite side I have one more IKEA unit. So I'll just back up here and show you my central table. So as I said, I can sit or stand at this table, which is really good. It's nice to be able to move around a little bit more while I'm crafting. And just keep in mind as well that this is, I have been card making now for 21 years, so it's quite a long time, and I have collected a lot of product over that time and a lot of crafty things. So it's not all things that have been sort of purchased all at once. It's over a long period of time, a couple of decades. So yeah, it may look like I have a lot of stuff, but it has been collected over a long period of time. I also do design team work for a number of companies, so that is where that unit is where I store all of my stamps, and I generally store them in company order so that I can keep it all in one company when I'm designing cards. So I'll just do a little walk around the drawers in the corner, then a unit under the window along with all of my blue bottles. I've collected those bottles from beaches down here in the southwest of Western Australia, and also from secondhand shops and things like that along the way. I just love the colour of them, and I like it across the window. It just gives it a nice bright pop of colour. So the unit under the windowsill is really handy just for larger sort of appliances and machines. So I've got my laminator and my Brother Scan and Cut there. I have got my outlook out of my window is a little bit bland at the moment, but I am going to get my hubby to move my succulent garden, which was currently where it is outside the other room that I used to craft in. So I really would like him to move that across to this side, and so that I have a nice green outlook when I'm crafting as well. So back to the room. I have my Kmart plant in the corner, and then across from my crafting desk I have another IKEA unit with TV and little display cabinet that I like to display some of my cards on, some of my favourite projects or things that have a special meaning to me as well. And then back to my desk in the middle of the room. Then I also have the bonus of a walk-in, or not a walk-in robe, just a robe in this room. And I've got a set of drawers in there that I've used for craft storage also, so that's really handy, and I'll show you in those too in the second part of the video. So that is the main kind of orientation of the room. And I've been in now for about a week and it's working really, really well for me. I'm really happy with it. I'm especially happy with the, as I said, the island table in the middle, and also I have got a Raskog cart under my desk which fits perfectly under there, and I can just roll it out and it has all of my most used kind of products and things in it. So I can just roll it out, use something from that, put it straight back, and it keeps my desk so uncluttered, neat and tidy, and it's been working really, really well. So I'm thrilled with that, and I will show you that in more detail in a second. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of the layout and orientates you to my room and my crafting space. I love this space already. Obviously when I'm crafting, it's my happy time, and this space is just making it even more of a fantastic time for me to create, and just loving where everything is and how convenient it all is to use. Okay, so if you'd like to see a detailed walkthrough, please stick around for part 2. I'll put it on a separate video because it may take quite some time to do, and I will see you then.